What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei Y8p smartphone. It comes with 4000 mAh battery and 10 watt charging speed. So for this testing purpose we will use this official Huawei 10 watt charger, the USB Type-C cable that comes in the box, and we will use this another smartphone for the timer purpose. So let's start our test now and let's see how much time battery of Huawei Y8p is going to take in reaching from 0% to 100%. But before that, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So even though the battery was totally nil, it's starting directly from 2%. So it seems there was something reserved. So let's switch on the device now. If we go to the battery setting, you can see that it says it will take nearly 2 hours 10 minutes to reach from 3% to 100%, and I'm going to turn off the performance mode. So it's already at 4%, 2 hours 8 minutes more. It's more than 15 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 18%, and it says that it will take 1 hour 53 minutes more. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 31% after 30 minutes, and it will take 1 hour 38 minutes more to reach from 31% to 100%. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status one more time, and it's 59% after 1 hour. So it seems it's taking nearly 1 minute for 1%, but during the last 10-15% it takes more time, and that's why it is showing that it will take 1 hour 6 minutes in reaching from 59 to 100%. So it's 100 minutes now. Let's check the battery status, and it's 91%, and it says it will take 27 minutes more to reach 100% from 91%. So it's more than 2 hours, and the battery percentage is at 99, and it's going to take less than 5 minutes for the battery to be fully charged. And here we go. So it's 100% now, and it took nearly 2 hours 10 minutes, as it was showing in the very beginning in the battery settings, to reach from 0% to 100%. And considering the fact that this device comes with 4000 mAh battery and the charging speed is just 10 watt, it is quite impressive for sure. So that's all for now friends. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.